this video. I have a message for someone. I'm not gonna say his name. Well, his first name starts with F. If he's watching this video, I hope he is. Just want to let you know, bro, I'm still waiting on you to get your Z06. I know they're fast, and according to you, M3 cannot keep up. According to you, M3s cannot keep up with Z06 or GTRs or whatnot. But I'm waiting for you to get one, and whenever you do, let me know, and we'll see what's up. I'm still waiting, bro. So just let me know when you're ready, and I'll make sure I'll be ready too. I gotta take this call. Much better. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to another episode. It's really windy today, so hopefully you guys can hear me. But so today I'll be replacing the charge pipes on my BMW F80 M3. It's not going to give me any horsepower. It always sucks, you know, when you buy a fucking part and, you know, it's not going to give you any power. But just because, you know, I'm pushing decent power now. So the charge pipes, with the stock charge pipes, and this whole wind is like, hopefully you guys can hear me. I should put my microphone, but too lazy. But anyways, so the stock charge pipes, they come, I think they're made out of plastic. Yeah, they're made out of plastic or rubber, and they're pretty cheap. Again, I mean, they're not cheap, but you know, BMW installed them just so they can, you know, just so they can hold, you know, like the stock 430 crank horsepower. I think it's close to 15%. That's I'm not really good at math, but 15% reduction is check my calculator real quick. So stock is 425. 425. That's 15%. So 361 real horsepower. That's what they come. Because I think if your car's a rear wheel drive, that's a 15% reduction compared to a wheel horsepower. If it's a front wheel drive, it's 10, but if it's an all wheel drive, it's 20%. So let's say if I were to let's say if I'm pushing 500 right now, add another 15%, that will be my crank horsepower. So yeah, I think it's a good modification. It's not too expensive, but again, I gotta work on it. Let me just show you guys where the charge pipes are located. So as you can see, we have two charge pipes over there. One day I was cruising, going like maybe 100 miles, and all I hear is like pop, and I'm like, fuck, what just happened? You know, stopped the car and this motherfucker came out. So I was pretty pissed, put it back on. But yeah, I need to, so I had to get the upgraded charge pipes. Again, no power, nothing, but it'll make sure that there's no boost leak in case they crack or in case they come out again. So yeah. And then eventually I'm gonna have to change the top mount intercooler. There's one on top, the heat exchanger, and for the top one, I mean it'll be ideal for me to remove or change both of them. But fuck, man, car parts are not cheap, and I only got like 300 fucking subscribers. So now I'm not getting paid by YouTube, but holy moly, man, I think it'll be sick if somehow I can make it there, like to the point where I'm getting even $1,000 or $800 every month from YouTube. Fuck, man, this motherfucker will be like 1,000 horsepower. But anyways, let's get to it. It should be a simple installation. The only thing that I hate is I gotta remove the I gotta remove this piece of shit carbon fiber bar, and then gotta remove the intake again. And it just, you gotta remove a bunch of stuff just to get to the charge pipes. So, but you know what? I love working on cars, or just my car. This is what I love. It makes me happy. It's a good therapy session. So I think it'll be fun. So let's get to it. All right. So you guys know the drill. Yeah, I mean, it's fucking straightforward. So, but let me show you guys the aftermarket ones, and then we'll do a comparison. Here, this is the aftermarket one. It's pretty heavy duty. There will be no leak whatsoever. And as you guys can see if you can see it in the camera, once I take them off, I'll show you that their stock ones are just straightforward. There's no nipple or like a hole. But for, let's see if it's zooming in right. Here, focus. Yep. For this one, we have little nipples. What are they for? It's if you want to go get a meth injection kit, which I will eventually. But I'll probably wait until I go bigger turbos. But for now, I'm not gonna do that because it's a big fucking process. And you know, if I'm gonna once I do upgraded turbos and if I do upgraded crank hub, that's when I'll go for it. Oh, talking about the upgraded crank hub, I ended up getting a crank hub capture. Which is like $300, I think. You know, it doesn't really prevent, like it won't stop the hub from spinning. But what it does is, if I do spin my hub, hopefully not, it'll make sure that the hub is the crank hub itself won't come out of the motor or from the crankshaft. So for now, I ended up getting just a hub. Just have to make sure I don't downshift hard. But eventually, once I go bigger turbos, that's when I'll get the crank hub installed, because I think the labor pretty much is the same. I was talking to different shops and they were like, okay, if you just get a crank hub itself is $4,000, you know, with the labor and everything. But if you can pick up bigger turbos, you get pretty much $4,000 at the cost of the turbos. They can do it. You know, it's a long-term goal, maybe a year or 2 years from now, when I have the money. Unless maybe I can do a GoFundMe account and you guys can start, you know, putting money up for my F80 M3 build, $100 per person. If you got more money, fucking throw $1,000, you know. But yeah, let's get to it. Enough talking. I think I'm talking too much today.